30 exercise, and you do know about the how we can convert the hours and minutes and second. In previous video we have to completed that. So now let's see in this exercise we will see here minutes and second and how we can add and regrouping the years into month and month into year. Okay. So first question of here 5 minutes 30 seconds and 5 minutes 30 seconds. Okay. So minutes we will add the minutes also together and the seconds we will add together. Okay. हम मिनट्स को और सेकंड्स को ऐड करेंगे because here is the sign of addition. Okay. So see here the first of all we will write here the minutes properly. 5 minutes. It's also 5 minutes. Okay. We'll write here minutes and here is second. Okay. So here is 30 seconds. Here is also 30 seconds. We'll write here the proper way second and put here the sign of addition because we are doing here addition. Okay. So 5 plus 5 10. Okay. And here is 30 plus 30 0 3 plus 3 6. Okay. So 60 second and 10 minutes. When we add because we know about in a 1 hour 60 second 60 minutes and in a 1 minute 60 second. Okay. Is it clear? हमारे 1 hour में कितने मिनट्स होते हैं 60 minutes and in a 1 minute how many seconds 60 seconds. Okay. So we can write here is 10 minutes. We can convert these seconds into a minute because it is a 60 seconds and we are convert these seconds into a minute. We will add here the 1 minute. Okay. And write here 10 plus 1 11 9. Okay. This is the last. Say F question is the B, C, D, it's also same. So you can do very simply write here the proper minutes and second and add these minutes and seconds and convert into these seconds into a minute. Okay. F question is here 10 years 7 months and 11 years 7 months. Okay. So first of all we will write here the same way say years. Okay. Here is month. अगर हमको मंथ दिया हुआ ईयर दिया हुआ तो हम उसको ऐसे ही प्रॉपर वे के अंदर लिखना है और यहाँ पर हमको मिनट्स और सेकंड्स दिए हुए हैं बिकॉज ऑफ ईयर राइट है द मिनट्स एंड सेकंड्स टुगेदर. ओके. एंड हियर इज गिवन years and months. So we'll write here the proper years is 7 years 10 years 10 years and there is also 11 years. So we'll write here and sign put your sign and months are 7 months and so there is also 7 months. We will write here 7 and 7. Okay. Then we will write these years and months 1 plus 1 2 20 and 1 year and 7 plus 7 40 months. So we know about in a 1 year how many months 12 months. Okay. एक साल में कितने मंथ्स होते हैं हमें पता है 12 months. Okay. So here is 40 months. Here is 40 months. So we can write here the 1 year and 2 months because 1 year is 12 and plus 2 months. 2 plus 2 4 and 1 40 months. Okay. So we can regrouping these months into a year. हमने 40 months को regroup करा है 1 year and 2 months. Okay. Here, so there is 21 year. So we can write here 21 year plus so also 1 year. Okay. And 2 months. Okay. So 21 plus 1 22 years and 2 months. Okay. So this is our answer and you can solve all the questions very easily and the remaining questions also. Okay. See the second question. In this question we will subtract hours and minutes. Okay. In the first question there was minutes and seconds. Okay. And in this second question hours and minutes, but we will do here the subtraction. हमें यहाँ क्या करना है subtraction करना है. And in the first question there was addition. हम क्या कर रहे थे कि एडिशन कर रहे थे ना, but here is subtraction. So first of all we will write here the hours and here we will write minutes. Okay, so hours are 9 hours and here is 3 hours. So we will write here 9 and 3. Okay, and here is 20 minutes, here is 40 minutes. We will write here the proper with 20 minutes and 40 minutes. Okay, then we will subtract from the hours and from the minutes. So here you can see the minutes are here is 20 minutes and here is 40 minutes. Okay, so we will regroup the 9, here is 9. So there is our 9 hours. So we will take the 1 hours here. So in a 1 hour, how many minutes? 60 minutes. So the 1 hour is shift here. So here is 60 plus 20 means 80 minutes. यहाँ कितने minutes हो गए? 80 minutes. And here is 8 hours. यहाँ पर कितने hours रह गए? Here is remaining 8 hours. So we can subtract from the 8 3 hours. So 3 minus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5 hours. So we can write here 5 hours. And here is 80 minutes. So we will subtract from the 80 40 minutes. Okay, हम 80 में 40 minutes करेंगे. Then we will write here 0 and 80 minus 4 4. So 40 minutes. Okay, so the answer is 5 hours and 40 minutes. Clear? See, this is your B question, 30 minutes and 5 minutes. Okay, so here we will write here the 30 minutes and here is second. So हमको यहाँ पर seconds नहीं दी, but here is कितना seconds? How many seconds? 35 seconds. So we will write here 0 and here is how many minutes? 5 minutes. So we will write here 5 and here is 35 seconds. Okay, minutes and seconds. हम यहाँ पर क्या substitute कर रहे हैं? Minutes and seconds. So here is already given 30 minutes. Okay, and here is 5 minutes. Okay, but here is given only seconds. Okay, but here is not given seconds. हमको यहाँ seconds नहीं दिए. So हम क्या करेंगे? So we will write here and regrouping the 1 minute convert into a second. So we know in a 1 minute how many seconds? In a 1 minute 60 seconds. Okay, so we can write here the 60 because the 1 minute is shift here. यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? Regrouping हो रही है. 1 minute shift हो रहा है. So in a 1 minute 60 seconds. Okay, so we will subtract here is 12 minutes. हम यहाँ पर remaining minutes कितने लेंगे? Here is 12 minutes. So we will subtract from 12, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 minutes. 7 minutes are remaining here, and here is 60 minus 35, 25. Okay. Because we will borrow here 1, 10 minus 5, 5, and here is 5, 5 minus 3, 2. Okay. So 25 seconds. Okay. The answer is 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay. Is clear? So all the questions are you can solve easily because here is only the subtraction and how we can regroup the minutes into a second and hours into a minutes. Okay, is clear? So see, the third question is your word problems like first application in real life. First question is Anisha practiced for her school elocution. So third question is application in real life. These are your first problem in third question. First question is Anisha practiced for her school elocution competition. Elocution means practiced of efficient speech. मतलब जो practice की जा रही थी speeches के लिए उसके बारे में बताया जा रहा है कि elocution competition जो हो रहा था उनका speech competition for 35 minutes on one day and 45 minutes on the next day. One day 35 minutes for and the second day is 45 minutes on the next day. So how long did she practice? तो उसने फर्स्ट डे और सेकंड डे जो प्रैक्टिस करी है उसका टोटल करके इनको बताना है. So first we write here Anisha practice for school. Anisha practice for school one day. One day she practiced 35 minutes. कितने मिनट प्रैक्टिस की थी? 35 minutes. Okay. And the next day she practiced 45 minutes. Okay. So we'll write here the 45 minutes. So how long did she practice? How long? जब हमें ये बात पूछा जा रहा है कि कितने टाइम तक इसने कितनी टोटल प्रैक्टिस करी, हाउ लॉन्ग इसने मतलब उसने कितना टाइम दिया फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड डे, तो हम वहाँ क्या करेंगे, वी विल ऐड द मिनट्स. ओके, 5 plus 5 10, 0 carry 1, 3 plus 1 4 plus 4 8. Okay, so 80 minutes. 80 minutes means in a 1 hour 60 minutes. So we can write it from the 80. We can regroup this 1 hour and 20 left minutes. When we get from the 60 minutes, हम 80 में 60 minutes ले लेंगे, तो left minutes are 20. Okay, so we write here 20 minutes and 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay, so we convert these 60 minutes into hour. Okay, so for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Okay, this is your answer. Next key question I am writing, and BC is also addition. You will write from like this. Okay, हमें उसको add करना है. And the last question, a normal train from Chennai to Bangalore takes 6 hours and 10 minutes. एक जो normal train है वो चेन्नई to Bangalore और जाती है, वो 6 hours and 10 minutes रहती होगी. The Shatabdi Express takes 4 hours and 45 minutes. वो जो शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस है उसका जो टाइमिंग है 4 hours and 45 minutes. So how much time do you save by traveling with the शताब्दी? अगर आप नॉर्मल ट्रेन की जगह शताब्दी ट्रेन से ट्रेवल करते हो तो हाउ मच टाइम डू यू सेव, आप कितना टाइम सेव कर रहे हो. तो वी विल राइट हियर इन द सब्जेक्ट बिकॉज हियर हमसे टाइमिंग के बारे में क्या पूछा है, हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. जब हम कंपेयर करेंगे लेफ्ट की बात करेंगे तो वी विल सब्जेक्ट. ओके, सो वी विल राइट हियर नॉर्मल ट्रेन a normal train Bangalore to Chennai to Bangalore. It takes 6 hours and 10 minutes. There is minutes and there is hours. Okay. And the Shatabdi Express takes time Chennai to Bangalore 4 hours and 45 minutes. Okay. We will write here the hours and minutes in a proper way. Okay. First, we write here the 6 hours and 10 minutes, and the Shatabdi Express it takes time 4 hours and 45 minutes. So we will compare which train is better. This train takes time 6 hours. We know 6 hours is more than 4 hours. तो ये जो है वो नॉर्मल ट्रेन से ज़्यादा टाइम ले रही है और जो शताब्दी ट्रेन है वो कम टाइम लेती है. So we can subtract from, yes, here is 10. क्या दिया हुआ है, 10 दिया हुआ है. इट इज लेस देन 45, ये बहुत कम. तो हम क्या करेंगे, रीग्रुपिंग करेंगे. वी विल टेक हियर द 1 hour and convert into minutes is 60 minutes. So plus 60, so here is 70. Okay, so 70 में हम 45 minus कर लेंगे and here is 5 hours. So 5 minus 1. Okay, so 1 hour is here and the 70 minus 45. So here we will take the 1, 10 minus 5 5. Here is 6. 6 minus 4 2. So 25 minutes and 1 hour. The answer is 1 hour and 25 minutes. So this train, so the traveling it is better than this train. Okay, so answer is 1 hour and 25 minutes. So this exercise and the word problems are finished here. I think so you are doing a practice because your term 2 examinations are coming. So it is very easy for you. You have a, this exercise is also easy, and if you will do the practice, so you will get the good marks in your examination. Thank you so much.